So what do you think? Create a curve around this area, because there are a lot of gels available in the market that contain comedogenic ingredients, so you should be aware of that. And after that, I shave the lower part. You should shave also according to your face shape, because I've had a lot of bad experiences in my past. Hello again to my lovely world. So it's been so long since I've uploaded a long form video. This is the video where you will learn how to shape and groom your eyebrows, well, according to your face shape. Because a lot of times we don't have the time to go to a salon and do our eyebrows. First, threading is painful, and second, they don't look natural. A lot of us want naturally groomed eyebrows. I have been shaping my eyebrows at home for ages now, and I will tell you that I never wanted to go to a salon. And a lot of my friends and family told me that they want to know how I do it so well at home. So without any further chit chat, let's quickly start the tutorial. By the way, at the end of this video, I have a quick unboxing for you guys. I know that you need a hint about the product, but please have the patience to stick till the end to find out. So I've washed my face as I've just taken my bath. Now I'll be taking an aloe vera gel. This is by Plum, their Hello Aloe Gel. You can use any other gel of your choice, but I will suggest you to choose something that does not have anything else added to it other than aloe vera, because there are a lot of gels available in the market that contain comedogenic ingredients, so you should be aware of that because they give crazy breakouts. I'll quickly hydrate my lips with this lip balm by Just Herbs. You might have seen me promote Just Herbs a lot because I am more leaned towards, organic beauty. Like, I mostly use organic skincare, makeup, hair care products that do not harm my skin and hair, because I've had a lot of bad experiences in my past. This gives a nice tint, as you can see. I will take a very little amount. By the way, I have dry skin, so aloe vera doesn't suit me, but it's soothing, so you must use it. Very tiny amount, as you can see, very little. Apply generously around your eyebrows. After face wash, I have done nothing to my face. It's completely, bare face. Apply it over and around your eyes. You need to take a razor. This is very old. This is by Sanfi. There are a lot of other options as well. I have recently purchased another razor set. That's actually an eyebrow kit. It's by Plush, and it contains 3 products. A razor like this, one-headed. It is two-headed, like it has one head for eyebrows and another head for facial hair removal. That one that I'm talking about, that has 3 products. A one-sided eyebrow head, and the other is a cutter. Like, if you have large eyebrow hairs, you can cut it with those scissors, and it comes with a comb. I will show you later on some product video. And there is another product, that's a tweezer. All of them are in purple, cute purple color, so it's really good, and I am still excited to try it. But for now, I am using this one by Sanfi. You can buy anything, like there are tinkle razors, you can also choose that. So as you can see, I have very tiny hair around this area. I start from this part and then I shave this part, and after that I shave the lower part. So I will go like that. Just watch very closely. I don't need a shave, like it's not that bad, but still if I maintain it at this point, it stays easy. So I like to shave it like this. Like, I like to cut this part because I have tried in the past keeping this straight, but it didn't help. So I create a curve around this area, and as I have oval shaped face, I do not keep my arch so high. It doesn't look flattering. You should shave also according to your face shape. So in oval shaped faces, you need to keep your eyebrows mostly straight with a soft curve. If you want a video to know how to shave for different face shapes, I can make that. Just comment down below. So it's mostly clean, as you can see, and the aloe vera gel makes it really easy. See, now I will move to this part. If you shave your eyebrows after a huge gap of time, it just grows crazy, and it's so inconvenient to shave all that because it becomes a forest. See how good the shape is becoming. You see this extra hair? You can cut it with a scissor and comb attachment like I told you earlier. So those products help with that, but I don't like to cut it like that because I already have very less amount of eyebrow in my face. So I like to keep the natural, and I don't want to shave that much. And really, this part closer to the center, this part has more hair, and the ends, they really lack in hair. If you have a structure like that, just make sure that you cut this part. It looks flattering on your face. And in my face, thick eyebrows don't just suit, so I don't keep it thick. I think that's it, and I will show you the final result after I wash my face completely. So here I am back after doing some basic skincare. Now this is how my eyebrows look. This side and the other side as well. So I hope you get the thing that this is not going to give you a super, salon-like finish, but it's gonna give you a natural look, but it's gonna look, one, well groomed, and second, well balanced. So as you can see that this is from Myntra. This is the Stays 9 to 9 mascara. Oh my god, I am so excited from it. I am so excited to try it, and that is why I am here sitting with a concealer and a concealer brush. By the way, this brush is super dirty. I should really wash my brushes soon. And by the way, the brush and the color of the mascara package is the same.
Wow!
Let's unbox it. I am not doing anything. Oh my god. Aesthetic. It's just, look at it. So before I apply this, I am here with a concealer because it will hide some of my dark circles and it will also make it look kind of good. This is because we can really see that what difference does it make to the lashes. It will be clear on the camera. Otherwise you can do it at home just applying the mascara. You don't need to apply the concealer, but it will make your lashes show better. I'm done and I'm ready to make my lashes pop. The wand is beautiful. Let's do it. You know what? This is why I am still a noob at mascara. So my opinion, if your goal is good length, then go for this one. And if your goal is good volume, I don't know, not so much. Anyways guys, it was fun. So what do you think? Do they look good? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for today, guys. If you like to recreate celebrity makeup looks, then make sure to check out this video where I recreated Monica Bellucci's iconic makeup look. Bye.